Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story, and it comes from Pune, where the accused in the Pune Porsche hit and run case of 2024 will not be tried now as an adult, despite him having crossed the age threshold. The Juvenile Justice Board rejected the Pune police's plea to try him as an adult. The killer had hit and dragged a couple, killing both in 2024. Take a look. Get Real India.
A year ago, the Pune Porsche crash made national headlines. A 17-year-old son of a prominent business person, Vishal Agarwal, celebrating his exam results, went pub hopping. And after a night of revelry, rammed a two-wheeler, leaving two IT professionals, Anish Avadia and Ashwini Costa, dead. The Juvenile Justice Board on Tuesday ruled the brat will not be tried as an adult, rejecting the police plea to treat the teen as an adult. The family of the accused, who will be treated as a minor, had pulled every trick to get him off the hook. There were shocking attempts to tamper with evidence. The accused family tried to swap his blood samples with his mother's. After the swap with the help of corrupt government hospital doctors, his first blood report showed no alcohol presence. The drunk teen's family also forced their driver to take the blame and even assaulted him. The accused was initially released on bail, with the only punishment being to write an essay while reportedly being served pizza at the police station. Families of the victims are devastated by the Juvenile Justice Board's decision.
मैम, इसके में यदि बालिग का केस ना चलाया जाएगा तो वह तो वैसे ही छूट ही जाना मैम, उसमें कोई मतलब नहीं निकलता मैम करने का। हम लोग तो उम्मीद बहुत लगाए हुए थे। सुबह जैसे एक्सीडेंट होता है तो बच्चे को ना देखने के उसमें जो कृत किया है उसके लिए सब कुछ लेके जाते हैं, उसको बचाने के लिए जाते हैं, खाने पीने की व्यवस्था के लिए जाते हैं। तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि दबाव कितना था। अब गवर्नमेंट का कहें जिसका काफी दबाव थे इनके ऊपर।
On the other hand, the accused lawyers cited the law.
अभी जो एक्ट है from 19th May 2024, what we are trying to tell you is the only act has been followed by the judiciary. There are orders of the Honorable High Court, Honorable Division Bench of which is the highest court of the land, which is to be respected, and there is a sanctity to the entire process. As law stands, we are executing the law. We are arguing upon the law point. If tomorrow there's an amendment in the act, obviously it will be most welcome.
As outrage grows, the question remains, will the killer brat walk away unscathed, or will justice be served? Bureau Report, India Today.